Namaste. As you might have seen from the title of the video, this is a scavenger hunt tag. Um, However, sadly, I'm not going to tag anybody because I don't know many people in the coloring community. A few who I do regularly interact with in the comments column of my videos have already been tagged, so I don't see a point in tagging them again, and hence I will leave this as an open forum. If you have not been tagged by anybody and would like to join, then please leave a comment below, and you're most welcome to join the tag. So I was tagged by Neko Simi Coloring. I will of course put a link to her channel below, and you can check out the video that she has posted. So the way this goes is there are 10 items that have been selected, and I have to find a coloring page having those items, which I will be coloring in. So I have found all the 10 items. Some of them are multiples, and I will show you all the pages that I have selected, and then I'll discuss my sort of thought process behind that. So the first one which I had to select was a picture of sun. So I have selected this book, and I have selected a page in this one, which is this. So as you can see, there's the sun over there. So I did have other pictures also which have the sun, but they also have something else in it, so I'll show it to you. For me, prominently, if I have to talk about the sun, then this is the most clear, like the way we used to draw it in childhood with the rays from the sun. This is the one which I have selected. So this one is for the first one, sun. The next picture that I am supposed to select is umbrellas. So in the same book, there is this picture which is of various umbrellas, and I think this is a good picture to select for that. Moving on, then I have to select a lighthouse. So now for the lighthouse, I have two pictures in mind. And the reason, I know I'm supposed to select only one, but the reason why I'm going to retain both is because I don't know which one I will ultimately color. It will depend on my mood whenever I get down to coloring it. So this is one, okay, and this is from By the Sea by Josh Tofrikis, and I think this is everything about the lighthouse. It's like it's the focal point of this page, so that's why I selected this one. The other one that I have selected for lighthouse itself is this page from the book Nice Little Town 2. Now if you see this circle here, it can be the moon or it can be the sun, depending on how I color it. I think it is the sun because I can see somebody fishing. I don't know if you can fish in the night. I think not. So this is probably daytime. So for me, yes, this can be also the picture for the sun and the lighthouse together. The reason why I am going to retain this one also is because this looks a much simpler picture to color. So I don't know which one I will ultimately end up coloring, but let's see. Then I needed to select something with lemonade or citrus slices. So for the lemonade or the citrus slices, I selected this picture because luckily for me, I found a picture which has both the lemonade and the citrus slices in the same one. And this book is Romantic Country Scenes by Teresa Goodrich. Then I needed to have a picture of ice cream, and for that I have selected this one, and this page is from Main Street Creative Haven by again Teresa Goodrich. Then I had to select a page with surfboard, and there is this page that I have selected. I think this is a surfboard because I know this activity is called windsurfing. So I'm not sure if this is really only a surfboard or is there a different term for it, but I am going to consider this as a picture with surfboard. I didn't want to do the surfboard chibi girl from Jade Summer because Nico has already selected that one, so I wanted to do a different page. Then I'm supposed to do a picture with a whale. For that I have selected this page, and I know this is not a real whale, but this is a whale, and it's a bathroom accessory, I think so, and it's wooden, and I have seen a real one like this, so I know what it is. So I will use this. Of course I'll color the whole page, but I'll use this page as an indication that I have found a whale. Then I have to color seashells. For seashells, again I have selected a page from the same book, which is Color at Home. So for me the whale is in the same book, and then I have selected this page, which is a collection of different types of seashells. I had to then select a page with cactus. So I have this book, Stunning Succulents, in which I have never colored. So this is a good opportunity, and this has a page completely covered with cactuses. So that's why I am selecting this page. This one is by Jessica Mazurkiewicz. I am very sorry, I don't know how to pronounce this, but you can see the name here. Then I have to select a sports mascot. Now this one was a problem. I'm not a very sports kind of person, and in India we don't have any mascots for sports, so I was at a bit of a loss. But there was an example in that where it said like a bear for Chicago something. I forgot the example, but the example was a bear, so I decided to select this. I am not even sure if this is really a mascot for any sports group or not, but if it's not, please, I am very sorry. I will consider that I have found something which I think is related to the item that I'm supposed to search, which is a sports mascot. And then the last one that I have to search for is a dream pet. Now the thing is that I am not a very petsy kind of person. I actually don't like having animals inside the house. I think they should be out in the free. But if I have to select an animal which I would like to have as a pet, then I would like to have a bunny rabbit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color this rabbit. The reason why I have tagged it here is because if I show you the page here, you cannot make out anything. So this is from Spiroglyphics Animals by Thomas Pavite, and it's going to be this rabbit. So these are the items in the list, and I think I have covered all of them. So I have a sun, I have the umbrella, I have lighthouse, lemonade, citrus slices, sorry, ice cream, surfboard, whale, seashells, cactus, sports mascot, and dream pet. So this book specifically is a duplicate because I have a lighthouse as well as a sun in this, whereas I also have a lighthouse and sun in the others. If I have to exclude this one, then for the 10, I think there are the 10 items, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and if you include the bonus, which is the dream pet. So since I have taken the bonus item also, then I need to have 11 items, and for those 11 items I have selected 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 books. And if I do manage to color the sun and the lighthouse picture which is there in that, then that is one more. So just to show you again, these are the books that I will be coloring from. Our Beautiful World, Color by Numbers by David Woodruff. Stunning Succulents by Jessica. I will not butcher her name by saying her surname, I'm sorry. Then Main Street by Teresa Goodrich. Also by Teresa Goodrich, Romantic Country Scenes. Also by Teresa Goodrich, Spring Scenes. So looks like the winner is Teresa Goodrich in this activity. Color by Number by George Tofekis. This is a color at home book by, the illustrations are by Joanne Borowski, but I don't know any other book by this illustrator, so I don't know. This was in fact one of the first books that I ever purchased deviating from my mandala and geometric patterns, and this is the bonus book. If I do manage to complete all of these other pages, then I will also do this. Or if I end up doing this one first, then I might actually not do the lighthouse and the sun separately. However, I'll try to do all these books. I'll try my best. Since it's not like I have to finish all this in 1 month and I have the time to do it within this year, I will surely try to finish all these, and I'll find a way to include them in my monthly goal. So thank you to Neko for having tagged me. This is the first time somebody has tagged me, so thank you so much for that. And I will look forward to seeing your colored pages also. Those who are new here, please do subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thanks for stopping by, and have a nice day. Bye.